Hi. You wake up every morning with zest and zeal and you look forward to your day कि मुझे आज ये करना है, ये करना है, ये करना है. Or you are just clueless, tired when you wake up in the morning and you don't know what to do. Then I'm making this video for you because life without purpose and meaning is lifeless. There is no life in that life if you wake up like that and you don't have to. मैं आपको क्विकली 5 टेक्निक्स देने वाली हूँ इस वीडियो में. प्लीज कीप फॉलोइंग देम और आप पॉज कर करके देखना ध्यान से सो दैट you are able to make that meaning in your life by the end of this video. And those of you who do not know me, I'm Shilpa Arora Sharma and I am the manifestation coach for leaders. और पर्पस निकलवाना मेरी स्पेशलिटी है एंड आई श्योर यू बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो यू वुड नो हाउ टू लिव योर लाइफ विथ फुल मीनिंग. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल एंड ये वाला वीडियो प्लीज उन लोगों के साथ जरूर शेयर करिए जिनको कुछ नहीं पता कि लाइफ में अब हम करें क्या. ऑलराइट, लेट्स बिगिन. So, as a manifestation coach, I talk to a lot of people. A lot of people fill my forms. A lot of people come in my webinars, and I interact with a lot of audience, from a wide spectrum of life. And I come across people who are just sad and upset, and they're like, "पता नहीं life में करना क्या है." Then there are this crowd of rich Generation Z, Generation Z, uh, who are like having everything because their parents have given them everything. They don't know what to do with their life. They have no ambition. And yeah, there is a group of people जिनके बच्चे बड़े हो गए हैं. They have left their nests. They don't know what to do with their lives. And in general, life is empty for a lot of people. कि क्यों करें कुछ भी, क्या कर रहे हैं, कुछ पता ही नहीं है. Now, इस तरह से जीने से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मतलब यू कैन लिव लाइक दैट, बट जस्ट इमेजिन यू हैव द ह्यूमन लाइफ. और जब आपके पास एक पर्पस होता है तो आपके पास ग्रो करने का रीजन होता है. यू टेक चैलेंजेस, यू डू थिंग्स, यू लर्न अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स and you solve that challenge, and in that process you grow yourself. Plus, if you're not moving ahead, it means कि आप पीछे जा रहे हो क्योंकि पूरी दुनिया तो आगे ही जा रही है and you're not moving ahead. Also, if you want to stay youthful for a long time, then you need to make new neuron circuits every day, which means you must learn new things, solve new problems every single day. So once your brain is, creating the new circuits, then your whole body actually regenerates and you stay young for a long time. So this is also a secret to stay young. And now, what problems to solve? Let's say you have a lot of money, or someone else is giving you money, your parents have money, or your spouse is earning money for you, or you're generally, wealthy. And then what? If you don't do anything, you'll deteriorate. It can hamper your health. And the meaningless life of just partying or watching Netflix and chilling is useless. तो उससे बेटर मुझे वो लोग लगते हैं, like if you ask me as a manifestation coach, people who have an aim to earn money, they are still better off because they are busy solving the problem or challenge of, earning the money. But here, this set of people who are just left out and they're just deteriorating because they're not doing anything. Now, अब आप पूरा ये वीडियो मेरा लास्ट तक देखो. और पर्पस पे स्पेशली मैं इसलिए वर्क करती हूँ बिकॉज द मोमेंट समवन क्रैक्स द पर्पस कि मैं ये मेरी लाइफ का पर्पस है, उस पर्सन की मैनिफेस्टेशन बहुत अच्छी होती हैं. देन द अदर थिंग इज दैट द पर्सन इज वेकिंग अप एवरी मॉर्निंग with something to achieve, and it becomes really meaningful and wonderful. Or every achievement gives you a dopamine rush. Also, your brain is learning and you are happy. What to do, how to find your purpose. Take gentle steps, one gentle step at a time. और मैं 5 steps बता रही हूँ यहाँ पे. Simple steps हैं, follow it, and a lot of people follow it and they get their purpose. Or finding a purpose is like getting a lottery. एक बार jackpot लग गया तो all your life is sorted. So I remember meeting a politician once, and he was consulting me for his purpose, and he has a lot of money. He was donating a lot of money, but he was clueless about it, about his purpose. एंड नुकसान ये हो रहा था कि इतनी सारी चैरिटी करने के बाद भी ही वॉज नॉट फीलिंग फुलफिल्ड फ्रॉम इनसाइड, बिकॉज ही हैव नो स्पेसिफिक एजेंडा, मैंने इस कॉज के लिए भी दे दिया, इस कॉज के लिए भी दे दिया, इस कॉज के लिए भी दे दिया, बट कभी उन्होंने ये वाली टेक्निक फॉलो नहीं की होती। एंड व्हेन ही डिस्कस्ड विद मी, तो उनको भी मैंने यही टेक्निक्स बताई थी दैट फॉलो दिस, फाइंड अ पर्पस, और एक ही कॉज पे आप अपना मन लगाओ, सो यू विल फील फुलफिल्ड एंड यू विल बी एबल टू लीव अ लेगेसी ऑल्सो। तो स्टेप वन है डीप मेडिटेशन। और मेडिटेशन ये नहीं कि मैंने बता दिया आप हिमालय पे चले गए, जैसे बहुत सारे लोग करते हैं साल्वेशन साल्वेशन, और वही हमारा पर्पस है कि अब हम दुनिया को मुक्त कराएंगे। दैट्स नॉट व्हाट इट इज। डू डीप मेडिटेशन, just close your eyes, sit with yourself, silence your mind, and just see what comes to your mind. What is it that you want to do? And you may sometimes not feel anything, it may just be blank, but you must make your mind blank for some time during the day, because that's how your mind will be with you and open itself for reflection. So you do this and note down whatever thoughts are coming in your mind. Okay, this was step one. Now, step two is spend time with nature. And a lot of people do it by, planting, कि घर में बहुत सारे पौधे लगा लिए या बार बार घूमने चले गए. But don't do that mindlessly. Be there and feel the essence. Feel that energy of Mother Earth coming into your body. Feel that you're in the lap of Mother Earth. And feel that joy and connectivity. And ask yourself, why I am here? What purpose should I bring to this world? Now, asking this question and with the step one, when you're meditating and blank, making your mind blank, will open your channels so that you can start receiving the answers from the universe. So, after these two steps, let's go on to the third step, which is very important. It could be calling a friend, reconnecting with an old connection, or cheering someone up, or you want to travel, you want to read books, whatever you want to do, or you want to just hang out with friends, or maybe you just want to watch some movies, whatever you want to do, it's up to you. Or you want to gift yourself a few things, whatever it is. Maybe you want to talk to your parents. I don't know. These are my guesses, but they should be yours. It should be your bucket list. Make a bucket list and now just determine that you're going to fulfill these items. Okay, number three is create a bucket list. Add those items in your list which you want to do and where you can imagine yourself feeling happy. अगर ये वाले tasks हो जाएं. As you're going to fulfill them, you're also going to get a clue on what your purpose of life could be. Okay, number four, explore giving away things. Now, this is something that can make you happy. You can explore, you can give out food packets to people who are, needing food or clothing, or you could, adopt someone who needs education funding. You can do a lot of these things. And when you do these things, you can explore doing what makes you truly happy. एंड अभी मैं फिफ्थ आइटम बताऊंगी विच इज वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट, सो जस्ट वॉच टिल दैट। और ना आपको वीडियो में नीचे कमेंट भी करना है कि अगर इसमें से कौन सा आइटम है जो आपको क्लिक कर रहा है सबसे ज्यादा। नाउ लेट्स लुक एट द फिफ्थ वन। नाउ फिफ्थ वन इज वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट, और it is important because a lot of people with me are able to find their purpose by doing this fifth thing in their list. Fifth is the biggest struggle of your life. Observe what is the biggest struggle of your life. What is was it around childhood that it was difficult? What was the difficulty? Was it around relationships? Was it around health? Was it around money? Whatever it was, the biggest challenge of your life that you have faced and that has left great imprints on you has the purpose hidden for you, because you can work on that specific problem and solve it for a lot of people. You can literally go and dedicate your life to solve that person. Like, for example, I have dedicated my life to teach manifestations to at least 1 million people. And why I'm so passionate about this is because I have lived a life with full intelligence and, getting all those degrees, working in corporates. I was with IBM. I was looking very, very successful from outside, but internally I knew that how shallow that life was. So I have made it my purpose because when I learned manifestations, I realized that this is the real human power that every human being should know. So that is my purpose. It motivates me, it charges me, and it, makes me look forward for my days. I have a lot to do during the day. I work 10 to 12 hours, and I'm just excited for every minute that I have got to work for this. So ideally, a purpose should be something like this. And all the people I know that who are on their purpose, I find them very, very energetic, happy, and progressive. And I wish the same for you. So if you have watched the video till the end, then you have to leave a comment below and let me know that you are finding your purpose, or you have already found your purpose and what it is. Let everyone know that. All right, stay tuned for more. Bye bye.